Hi, this is Kevin with KGMG. I'm owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, I'm just over into Gold 2. I rented a couple cars to do so because I didn't need very much, and I didn't have to spend any DEC day again. That's the third day in a row. I had a little bit of credits left over from my affiliate when he purchased something. So I used those up instead. So that change in the strategy has been working out very well. The I guess the easiest thing that I've come to terms with is saying that you're going to have to use a little bit of everything on the platform for balance, and that's where you get the best results. At least I have. So because if you've been watching my videos, you know I haven't been renting cards up until last week. So let's go and do the rewards now. The difference between Gold 3 and Gold 2 is one chest. The percentages are just a tiny bit better. So it wasn't that big of a deal, but that extra chest I thought might play out. So I was like, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I've only got 6 here. Or maybe you get 5 for Gold 2. I thought you got 7. But I completed the quest in Gold 3. So maybe that's how it works. Maybe where you complete the quest is what you get stuck in. So anyway, so renting those extra cards didn't help. So I got a card, some dark crystals, another card. I'll be combining and burning those, and a rare, nice, good card too. Yeah, that extra chest would have played out nice, but I wasn't aware of the fact. I thought it's whatever your power was when you pushed the button. Evidently, it's wherever you complete the quest is what you're going to. That's the way it looked like, so we'll see. But I'll rent out some cards. Now I can rent out probably about 30,000 because at 20,000 I rented. So let's go look out the cards that I rented today. And those free cards are really taking a hit. These are the free cards you get if you join for free and you don't buy the spell book. And every single element has it. Here's some more for the fire. And if you're getting a wallop 25%, 15%, I guess depending on how many you use. So that is explaining why we're getting higher DEC payout per victory. So rent it to me. So here's what I rented out for the battle today. It started out as a neutral, but I misread it and it says you have to win 3 battles without your neutral. So I just went ahead and changed it, and it was sneak attack. So I rented this one, 8th level or 6th level, 6th level summoner, and this one. So I just rented 3 cards, and I'm having fun strategizing, trying to figure out, just because I can do one battle, then go rent a card. I can see what's going on. And instead of like the other day when you saw I rented like 10 cards, and that's a waste of DC. If I can get by with 1 or 2 cards, that's what I'm going to do. And then with my victories, at 10 DC a victory, I'll play 20, 25 battles. There's 250 DC in the positive direction. It's a win-win situation for me. Plus, I get the chest. So I went and rented these just to get over 150, which ain't a big deal. I rented 3 maxed out. They were like 20 DC a piece, but I paid credits, so no big deal. Didn't hurt nothing. I want to clarify something on the nodes. The packs are starting to pick up a little bit. The packs, I'm going to start opening packs again as the value goes up. Now, it dropped last night, but if it keeps continuing to rise and the value of a pack equals at least the $4 you're spending, I'm going to start opening them up again. But I've been doing just as well buying cards in the market, though I do miss opening the packs. I got to admit. But I said yesterday they hadn't sold out. I was looking at the wrong thing. This is the pre-sale sold out quick. They're in this Tranchy One, or however you pronounce it. I don't know, but they're in that, and that's where it's hit a brick wall. And they sold about 30 or 40 last night at 3,000 a pop. You know, not a big deal. I don't know how they, if that's an alarming thing, or if this is what they exactly expected. But once they sell out, it's out. Now I'm hoping this is still going on in December. That's when I've been able to figure that I'd be able to get one, if unless things get worse than what they are today. If things get better faster, maybe I'll get one earlier. I would like to get one, though. What scares me away is that they claim you don't have to buy any special equipment. I got an out of date 10-year-old Chromebook. So I got a feeling I'd have to go buy some equipment, and then you got to run it. And they say it's simple, so I'll have to study it more, but I would love to have one of these validator nodes. For if anything else, just to have it, I guess. So let's go look at the peak monsters. There's the 1,005 down from 1,017. That it fluctuates so much. But look at this, 143, 220 on my power ranking. So here we are, Splinterlands 10,000, not sponsored by Splinterlands, something I'm doing on my own. I'm trying to get to a $10,000 asset value by the beginning of next year, which would be exactly 1 year since I joined. Today's the 26th of May. Excuse me, 146 day. And just to keep it simple, every other day I just put in $10. I'm dollar cost averaging, and I'm glad I did, because if I spent all my money right here, it would be way down, way down. But dollar cost averaging is very powerful against a dropping market, very powerful. So it's a 26. I put in the $10. I actually did it yesterday for the SPS. I do it on the odd days, but I count it then the next day. So $844. Before then, I was adding every little detail, but I'm only counting money that I put in from the real world. Everything I make on the platform is in-house, so that's profit. So I don't need to report that. Well, I do in the numbers. So here we go to today. You can pause that and look at, every day I've got the numbers. I've made a video every day except one. I missed 1 day on the video. 1,005 market value, which is down. 156 cards, 52.23 in the box. But look at this, 143, 180. I'm almost naturally to a gold 2. $101 free SPS. So profits down about 30, 40 bucks, 35 bucks. But look at my DEC. That keeps going up. And actually, I can add probably $2-3 over to here. So, but I'm going to keep them separate like that. So there's my numbers, looking good. As bad as it is to be showing a profit. Now that profit was before taxes and after I paid myself back the $844. So let's go look what I bought yesterday with the $10. And I changed up the prices. I have doubles or more of all the maxed out commons that are for sale for under 10. So I wanted to max out some legendaries, and so I got 2 regular Gargoyle Lions, or 3. I bought a legendary genie, a Shanus. Okay, and then I got 1, 2. Yeah, I finished off my Genie Bilka, whatever his name is. So now he's a maxed out. Oh, I bought this one had it was for 5. I think there was 3 in the box, but whatever. I completed him. He's now maxed out. I'm going to work on the Genie here, Oshanu's. I'm going to max him out, and I'm going to work on legendaries while keeping an eye when I'm purchasing on the maxed out commons. Pretty simple strategy. Maxed out credit, power credits, and easy to rent out. Maxed out cards are a lot easier to rent out. And so there it is. That's what I purchased. And of course, the cards that I got today, I will be burning and combining. And is there anything else I want to show? No, that's about it for today. Um, Please like and subscribe. I do this every day. You can see what I've done wrong or right. I'm going to do it for a whole year. I might continue it. I don't know after the year, but um, I wanted to show people that it's possible. And I'm on a learning curve, and I'm doing this good. And some people might not think I'm doing good, but uh, for not knowing the game and learning it as I'm going, and with the markets collapsing around us, and to be still showing a $300 profit, wait till things get good. I mean, I could surpass 10,000 by the beginning of next year if it's going where I think it's going. And of course, election year, we got so many things going on that might suppress the market. So you just don't know. But please like and subscribe. Join on any of the links below. Oh, the affiliate program. Everybody can do it. You get this URL with your ID embedded in it, and then you copy and paste. And don't spam. Don't send it to people who don't know it's coming. But you could join a site like mine, ProAdvertisersClub, and that's where you're opting in to receive other people's advertisements. So they'll look at your advertisement, and it's a trade-off, but it's free. And there's a lot of sites out there like that. Hercules Plus, which I have a link below in, is the best one. It's free to join and use it. 250,000 members, but if you want to get the lifetime gold member, it's only $49, and that means that's a one-time payment. And every day you can mail that 249 plus thousand people, and that's what I have, and I use it every day, and it's a very good site. Um, any of those links down there help me out if you join it. So, but Ronnie, he battled some more. I think he did 12 battles. And if you're watching these videos and listening, then just keep plugging away. The bronze is brutal, and you know, do your quest to get the rewards. And then if you are going to put money into the game, I really suggest DC, dollar cost averaging. Just put in a few dollars every, whatever your budget might be. And if you're not going to put any money in, then you got to do your quest. And that way you get your chest every day, and then you get your chest at the end of the season. And with that, you can build up your asset value. It's just going to take longer. It's a little bit slower of a process.